Our students prepare fireless foods. The fireless food competition will going on. First competitor prepare apple juice and lemon juice. It's a correct, girl? This one is what? Enna juice? Lemon. That one is apple. Very good. Next girl, next competitor prepare fruit salads and next sandwich. Next owl. Adukapra juice. Very good. I think this competitor prepare 4 items. The next one is something in fruits and fruit salad. Fruits with banana and pomegranate fruit salad. This one is karapuri. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Very good.